Simplified loader templates support characters of all languages. In this demo, I entered the invoice number in English, Portuguese, Russian, and Indian characters. I will click on the Create Invoice operation to create invoices with characters in these languages. To ensure that the invoices are created in the correct language, I will download all invoices starting with Demo SL. You can see that the invoices were created with the right details.